This video explains how to measure for vertical blinds. You will need a steel tape measure, which is generally more accurate than a wooden ruler or a cloth tape measure, a notepad and a pencil. You may need a step ladder. The first thing you need to know is to decide whether you need your blinds inside the window recess or outside the window recess to cover the entire window. Now check if there are no obstructions inside or outside the window recess where the blind will hang. For example, look for handles, park tiling, or window that open inwards. If you need advice, call us or even send us a digital photo. If you require your blinds inside the recess, then you must take 3 width measurements. Using your steel tape, measure across the top of the window. Now measure across the middle of the window and then across the bottom. The narrowest measurement of the 3 we call the recess width. Now you need to do the same thing as far as the blind drop goes. Using your steel tape measure again, measure the drop of the recess. Measure the left side, then the middle, and finally the right side. Again, the shortest measurement of the 3 is the drop we need, called the recess drop. When you order for the recess size, we will make an adjustment to allow for the clearance. If you require your blind outside of the window recess to cover the entire window, then you first need to find out the widest and deepest point of your window recess. You do this by measuring as we previously explained. You then need to add for the blind to overlap the recess both to the width and drop. We would recommend a minimum overlap of 10 centimeters each side and the same above and below. Again, always look for any obstructions. Once you have added the allowance, you will have your exact blind size. If you have a wooden batten above the recess, we advise you to measure this as your exact width and from the top of the batten to where you want the blind to finish as your exact drop. It's easy when you do it the essential blind way.